What's up, y'all? It's Tinashe here, back in with another video. I will be giving you guys a hair review slash a mini tutorial on me styling my headband wig 6 to 7 ways. My first time wearing a headband wig, so I'm super excited. I love the fact that it's such a good price because, you know, nowadays lace and closures and frontals can be extremely expensive nowadays. So we're gonna try this baby out. I'll be reviewing hair from Tinashe Hair, one of my favorites. They sent me a lot of goodies, so I'm going to show you guys. So I got my little packet. It came with all these headbands. I'm gonna try them out. This is a bonnet. It gave me this headband, a wig cap that I have on right now, some eyelashes, and my headband wig. It is a 24-inch wig. Let's get into this video. So the first style I'm going to be doing is a side part with a swoop. So I braided my hair into 3 braids. You can do more than that depending on how flat you want it. I feel like it's gonna be flat enough with 3. And then I left out this little braid in the front. So I'm about to straighten this, not bone straight, but it's just to the point where I don't have to put as much product on it to get the swoop. So I'm going to get this a swoop. Tuck this little thing under. I don't really care about my ears not showing. I'm gonna use this wax stick to see if I can get it a little more shiny. I might put too much, but y'all get the picture. I'm really doing my edges with my finger, y'all. I can't figure out how to put it on. It was to put it on. I didn't have to use any clips. One thing I will say that I would do next time is I will put more than 3 braids in it, because I can tell that this side is a little bigger. But other than that, it's super easy to put on. There's a little strap in the back and I can just put it on. So now I'm gonna try to put in the headbands that they sent me. This one matches my outfit a little more. I'm the type to mess up my hair trying to do this. The first style I have to show you guys, I like it so far. I know that the second time I try to do this, it'll be way better. I'll put less braids in it and everything. So let's get into the next style. Slicked back. Took a minute because of how I braided it. It wasn't the best, but it gets the job done. So the next style I will be trying is just the simple slick back look. So I love this look. It's something that's super simple, and if I want to just like slick back my hair and get my day started, then I'm gonna do that. I didn't even have to straighten the hair. It's super silky and I'm like in love with it. It matches my hair texture in a way because of how shiny my hair is. Yeah, and there's no shedding or anything, so 10 out of 10 for this style for me too. I'm very eager to try the other ones because I've been needing a wig like this because during this pregnancy I have not had the energy to really feel pretty or even do my makeup or do my hair. I just been like, ugh, I don't feel like doing anything, and this wig allows me to just do the bare minimum and have the cutest style ever. I wait to try other textures and other stuff like that because this has been like a breeze to put on, and once I get the hang of it and once I understand how many braids and stuff like that, then it's gonna be flat as possible. So now we're on the way to doing the third style. This is just a simple scarf idea that I had in mind. I don't know, going to like any type of store, you just have to run in. I'm gonna probably just throw this baby on, show that I got my hair done, even though technically my hair is not done, because if I was to throw this style on, I definitely would not slick my hair back or do my edges, makeup, or none of that. So this is a little cute little simple look. I'm in love with it. Cannot wait to try a curly texture of this headband wig because I know that's gonna look bomb with this scarf. So yep, 10 out of 10 for me for this one as well. So far I'm loving it. I'm about to rock up on these wigs while I'm pregnant, for real. Up next, I'm going to be doing the next look. So the next look is going to be a hat. This is my favorite because I'm not really a big fan of hats, and it's not too much hair to the point where it's like bulky. It's like the perfect amount for me to just go on and go out. Same way with the scarf. This is probably more presentable than a scarf, so I'm going to definitely have to rack up on hats as well for this. But this is so cute. I'm gonna try to switch it up and put it to the back or something. To do 2 pigtails to see how that was like, and if I had the right rubber scrunchies instead of rubber bands. I feel like it would have been, you know, cute. I don't usually wear my hair like that, but I wanted to see how it was gonna look with the 2 pigtails instead. Okay, so now we are on the way to the next style. Ponytail at the top, you can do that, but I put like 3 rubber bands around it so it can be as high as possible. But this is so cute. This sums up my hair video. I said hair video. Hair review and video. I have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have done 7 styles to do with this half up, half down wig that I recommend. The hair was super silky, any shedding whatsoever yet, and I haven't even put any heat to it yet. It didn't need any heat whatsoever. The only heat I have used in this video is just to do the swoop bang, and that's all. I'm going to be ordering as many wigs as possible for this, especially during this time period in my life where I don't feel like doing my hair. I want to try the kinky, the actual deep wave, curl, all of that, and this brand has everything. I'm also going to tag below my actual hair that was in this video, so I hope you guys buy it. And I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and click that notification bell for updates on my next video.